Hey guys, Gaming Squad here, and today I'm going to do an MCEdit tutorial on how to make a water fountain. Now, I did do a tutorial on this, but it was kind of outdated, and this one's going to be easier to do. Well, I'll try to make it easier to do. So first, you're going to just want to make something that looks kind of cool, like this, I recommend, rather than just having a block like that. You can do that if you want, but don't recommend it. Wait, alright, check something. Alright, and so you start off by placing a water and then pressing escape, pausing the thing right after you place the water like this. And it hasn't started running it. So now, I'm going to open up my MCEdit. And open up my MCEdit. And now I have this water. You're going to need a couple filters that I'm going to put in the description. Sandify in filter. And now you've just made a falling sand entity. And now you want a change entities filter, which I will put all these filters in the description. I just paused the video accidentally. Well, anyway, so what's my recorder doing wrong here? Okay, now it's going. It's like screwing up. And then so you want the texture manager 16, spawn radius 1, because then it'll spawn exactly in the spot instead of like randomly. And then just put these down, in case I paused the cap, just put these in your filter, then hit filter. Save it, Control S, and then hit MCEdit, close. Otherwise it'll crash your Minecraft. So now I'm going to bring up, load my world. There you go. Although, you have to build a basin over here. Right. You notice when I come closer to it, that's the detection range. So, I want to build around this water spot. There you are. It's a working water fountain. I kind of like how it does that. And be sure to like, comment, rate, subscribe, and everything. Gaming Squad out.